After you have created a workflow, you can edit it at any time to add or remove triggers and actions. In this tutorial, we are going to see how by editing an existing workflow we can add a new trigger to the workflow. Let's start. In the side menu, click on Configuration Center. Go to the Flows option. Select After Booking Workflow. Click on Edit to modify the workflow. Click on Add a new trigger. The trigger will be when a booking has been rescheduled. Now, you must add the action to the trigger. The action is to send the rescheduling email. Choose the corresponding reschedule template. Select the email from where the notification will be sent. Add the ICS file, and click on Add. To update the workflow, click on Save. From now on, the workflow with the 4 triggers will be operative for the assigned events. Now, you know how to edit an existing workflow to add a new trigger.